Welcome everybody, Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Friday, May the 14th. We are breaking Bomb Box Combo Series. It's the last three envelopes in our series. We got number 1, 36, and 38. Random teams for it on the right. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them all a chance to trade. Had a bunch of offers, but nothing went down, folks. So we're gonna break here. Alright. It's one envelope, but 2 hits in every one. So here we go. Bam! Well, that is going to be the MLB spot with the Wade Boggs signed jersey, guys. MLB spot. Bam! Also going to be the Turtles comic spot, folks, with the Days of Future Past comic there. Nothing else in that envelope. Here we go. All right. Well, gonna be the regular F13 spot, guys, with the Vorhees, Ari Lehman, Pop. Bam! Also going to be our Khalil Mack Nike jersey on that, guys. So we know one of the hits from in the last envelope there from the checklist. Last envelope of the series, everybody. Thanks for helping us close that baby out. Wow, well that sucks. Bam! I'm sorry guys, they both stayed until the end, unfortunately. Bam! I can't do much about that, guys, as the way the envelopes just broke. You're gonna get a double Vorhees hit on that on the F13 spot. Bam! And the Baltimore. Alright, so this I saw was Adam. Alright, so who has MLB, everybody? Well, that is going to be a Jackie. Alright, the Dog had the Baltimore spot, so that is going to Dog. SD had Chicago, saw that earlier as well. Who has the F13 spot, though? That is going to be Mossberg on the double Vorhees Mossbergs. Alright, guys. Sorry to everybody else who did not win. Let me just go over my items here, folks. Alright, bam. That is your Lamar Jackson JSA certification and card on that, baby. Lamar Jackson JSA on that for Dog. Fold that baby up real quick. Tape. Show our Mack. God, I hate when they take these bags, man. Alright, bam, that is your Khalil Mack. Again, she is a Nike SD. Khalil Mack on that, baby. I said she is a Nike. Down, there it is. Sorry, drop that on the floor there real quick. Let me grab our bugs. Bam, very nice. Wade Boggs, JSA certification on that one. Alright, Mossberg, and then you basically got two of the pops. Bam. So you got two of those in Mossberg. The Jason Never Dies pristine certification on that. So that is going to wrap up that one. We're going to pull out our winners and then find our last Merino qualifier there. Just get these in bags there, guys. It's a Merino Mitchell Ness. It's a Merino Mitchell Ness jersey. Alright, guys. Alright, then I've got varied right now, Adam. I'll grab that. Yep, so you pretty much know what that is. It's going to be an X-Men CGC 9.2 on that. Alright, here we go. Let me bring up our random. Alright, so we're going to pull out one of Adam's. One of, whoops, well, we're going to pull out Jackie and Dog there. Two of Mossberg's and SD. Alright, these are the last two qualifiers. We'll award this thing right afterwards, guys. Bam, we got a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bam, 9 times. Well, we got Mossberg and Dog gonna be our qualifiers on that. That is 41 and 42 breakers.tv, YouTube, and Facebook. We go 8 p.m. Central, also on Twitch, folks. You all have a good one.